Alright guys, so I finally got done with the first side of the Evo. I didn't really record much of the process, but I will show you guys the other side. You guys ready for this side? Sheesh! This thing looks so good. Check it out from the back. I do have to fill in a few little gaps, but I mean, that's to be expected. This thing should have been done at a body shop. I'm not gonna do that because it obviously costs a lot of money, and if I can do it myself, I'll do it myself. But check this out. You guys ready? Even the side door piece, flush. Check that out. I'm super happy with the way this came out, and I did put a rivet right in here, kind of like the side skirt, in case it does want to fall off one day. But yeah, what do you guys think? It looks so sick. So let me show you guys this side. I did cut it already, primered it overnight. Here it is. I know it may not look pretty, but you're not gonna be able to see it, and I did my best. I did what I could with what I had. So this should be giving me plenty of clearance. I shouldn't have any issue clearing the fender. Let me show you guys how I mount on the rear fender on the car. Here's another little piece. I did cut this inner lip right here, just to make sure that the tire wouldn't hit. And we wouldn't have any issues breaking these fenders because they're not cheap. So let's cut this and then I'll show you guys how I stick it on the car. So it looks like it's gonna rain, guys. I'm already feeling a few raindrops, but we're still gonna finish the job right now. I pretty much cleaned the surface below the tape. That's where the fender's gonna line up, and it already has double-sided tape all along the edge. I'm still gonna put a rivet somewhere down here, and it has a bolt right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I apologize for the Evo. It's filthy. I know the crack on the window is getting really bad. The whole car is a mess. It needs a complete detail. I just haven't had the time to do that, but maybe I should do that on the next video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see a detailed video. I really need to detail this car, and I think it would just make it look so much better. I am so happy with the way the fenders came out. Not 100% completely done with them. This right here, there's little gaps in here. There's 1, 2, maybe 3 down here. I gotta like push it in a little bit more. Everything lines up perfectly. Bam. It does look the way I always pictured it. I can't believe it, guys. Finally, the Voltex rear fenders. There is no going back. Not that I ever wanted to anyways. Having this just completes the car. Maybe a wing, I don't know. I think that might just overdo it. I kind of want to take off the stock one just to get that weird Evo vibes. I know some Evos can pull it off. I have never felt my Evo can pull it off. I don't know why. There's other Evos without wings look freaking sick. Mine just feels like there's something missing. I don't know. I've never thought I even have these wheels. I've never really like pictured them on the car, but it just completely changes the way the whole thing looks. To be honest, it was just about time, because like I said, I've always had the bronze TEs on this car, and it was just getting old, guys. Time for a change, and this was definitely the best way to go. Today's the second day I've been driving it, and there's no issues, no rubbing, and the car actually feels great. Aside from having the 40mm spacers, I don't think it really affects the car. If anything, it just feels better. But yeah, this thing is filthy. It needs a car wash really bad. Even the roof. I kind of want to peel all this stuff off and then repaint it, make the whole thing look like new again. That's one thing I really want to do to the car. Anyways, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't know if it's a short video or a long video. I didn't really want to bore you guys with the cutting, but I showed you guys the important stuff, how I cut it and what I did to seal the fender. God damn, there's a bunch of mosquitoes. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.